Okay, maths set for question 7. A car and bike are traveling towards Johor. When the car overtook the bike, they were 52 km away from Johor. So at this point, okay, although we say the car has overtaken the bike at this point, but in actual fact, this is the point where they are both equal. So we can actually do our distance timeline based on this. So this is Johor. Okay, they are both equal at this point because the car has just overtaken the bike and they are 52 km away. Okay, the car arrived at Johor half an hour earlier than the bike. So when the car arrived at Johor, the bike was actually half an hour away, still have to travel half an hour. And on top of that, it says when the car reached Johor, the bike was still 20 km away. So this is 20 km. Okay, all this black ink writing is for the bike. Now based on this, you look at it and you realize, hey, I can find the speed of the bike immediately because the bike speed is 20 km divided by half an hour, which will give you 40 km per hour. So I have found the speed of the bike, okay, just from this information. Now I know that they were 20 km away from Johor, and this is the distance completed by the bike. Okay, this distance left to complete. Okay, it becomes very easy if you understand the fact that at this point, this is the part where they are both equal. So this is a one-step question, usually worth about 3 marks in PSLE, and you solve it in one step. Okay, so the speed of the bike is 40 km per hour. Okay, that's it. Okay, next. An empty rectangular tank measures 70 cm by 25 cm by 36 cm. So I have a tank, okay, which measures 70 by 25 by 36. Okay, a stone of volume 4,500 cm square. This is supposed to be square, but I can't get it to come out as a 2 for the block, so I have to write it this way. Okay, then the tank is filled with water flowing from a tap at a rate of 9 liters per minute. How long will it take to fill the tank? First, I find the total volume. 70 times 25 times 36. Now remember, whenever we do the question, either we put in the units or we don't put it in at all. So I leave it to you to decide whether you want to put it in or not. Okay, so 63,000. 63,000. So 63,000 minus wave 4,500, which is the stone. There is another 58,500 cm square left, okay, in the container. So how long will it take to fill up? 58,500 divided by 9,000 equals to 6.5. Okay, so it will take 6.5 minutes, and that's it. You're done.